Have you ever wondered how you can make your car faster without spending a fortune on mods or upgrades? Well, you're in luck, because today we're talking about a game-changing way to increase your car's performance for free: weight reduction. That's right. Shedding a few pounds from your car can have a noticeable impact on its speed, handling, and fuel efficiency. And it doesn't cost you anything except some time and effort. Stick around as we go through 10 ways you can reduce your car's weight and see how these small changes can lead to big performance gains. Let's get into it. 10. The power-to-weight ratio, the secret behind weight reduction. First things first, let's talk about the importance of weight in a car's performance. The power-to-weight ratio is one of the key factors that affect how fast a car can accelerate and handle. Basically, the lower the weight your car needs to move, the more efficiently it can use the power from the engine. So, the lighter the car, the less effort the engine needs to put in, which means better acceleration and speed. When you reduce your car's weight, you are essentially giving your engine less to work with, and that can result in faster takeoffs, quicker laps, and a more agile driving experience. This is the reason why race cars and performance vehicles are designed to be as light as possible without sacrificing strength or safety. The best part? You can make your car lighter without spending a cent. 9. Remove the spare tire. Let's kick things off with one of the simplest changes you can make to reduce weight: removing the spare tire. Most cars come with a spare tire stored in the trunk or underneath the vehicle. While a spare is great in an emergency, it's extra weight that your car has to carry around all the time, even if you don't need it. If you're not planning any long trips or driving to remote areas, consider removing the spare tire altogether. By doing this, you can easily shave off a few pounds. Now, if you're concerned about being stranded with a flat, there's a lighter alternative: swapping the spare tire for a tire repair kit. These kits are much lighter than a full-size spare and can fix most common tire issues, like small punctures. It's a simple, cost-effective way to reduce your car's weight while still having a solution for flat tires. If you're trying to improve performance, every pound counts, and this is an easy, free step in the right direction. 8. Strip out excessive interior items. Next up is reducing the weight of your car's interior. Many cars come with a lot of unnecessary items that add up in weight. Think about things like extra floor mats, bulky armrests, or even heavy seat covers. Removing these items might not seem like much, but every little bit helps. If you're serious about reducing weight, you can also consider removing the rear seats, especially if you rarely have passengers in the back. This is a more extreme measure, but it can really reduce your car's overall weight, particularly in smaller vehicles where the seats can account for a surprising amount of weight. 7. Upgrade to lighter wheels. If you're willing to invest a little money, upgrading to lighter wheels is a fantastic way to reduce your car's weight without compromising performance. Wheels are one of the heaviest parts of the car, and lighter wheels reduce the unsprung weight, the weight that's not supported by the suspension. This allows for better handling, quicker acceleration, and improved braking. Alloy wheels, especially forged aluminum ones, are much lighter than standard steel wheels, and while they can be expensive, the performance benefits they offer are well worth it in the long run. Even if you can't go all in on new wheels, look for lightweight options that are designed to give you that performance edge. 6. Swap out heavy car seats. One of the heaviest components inside your car are the seats. Factory-installed seats are often made from heavy materials, but you can swap them out for lighter, sportier options. Racing seats, for example, are built to be lighter and more supportive, and they're designed to improve driving performance. Sure, it might seem like an expensive option at first, but the weight reduction alone can make a noticeable difference in your car's overall performance. If you want to stick with the stock seats, consider removing the seat adjustments if you're someone who always has the same driving position. The manual seat adjustments and power motors can add extra weight, and removing them can give you a little extra weight savings. 5. Reduce the weight of your sound system. We all love good music in our cars, but that sound system could be weighing you down more than you think. High-end audio systems often come with bulky subwoofers, amplifiers, and speakers, which add a lot of extra weight. If you don't need the booming sound, consider removing the heavy subwoofers or switching to a lighter, more compact audio setup. Alternatively, you could replace your stereo system with a lighter version that still provides decent sound, but without all the heavy components. Remember, the goal is to reduce weight, where it doesn't sacrifice your enjoyment or the car's overall usability. 4. Lighten up the battery. Replacing your car's battery with a lighter lithium-ion battery is another simple way to reduce weight and increase performance. Traditional lead-acid batteries are heavy, and swapping them out for a lithium-ion alternative can save a significant amount of weight. These batteries are typically more expensive upfront, but they have a longer lifespan and are much lighter, offering better performance for your car. This is a particularly good option for performance vehicles or cars where weight reduction is a priority. Just make sure the new battery is compatible with your vehicle before making the switch. 3. Switch to lighter fluids. Another simple way to make your car lighter is by switching to lighter fluids. Most cars use conventional engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid, but there are lighter alternatives available. Synthetic oils, for instance, are generally lighter and can provide better performance, as well as longer intervals between oil changes. Lighter fluids reduce the overall weight of your car while potentially improving fuel efficiency as well. It's a small change, but every ounce counts when you're trying to make your car faster and more efficient. 2. Remove the excessive cargo. We often forget about the extra cargo we carry in our cars that we don't need. From the extra set of clothes to the bags of items stashed in the trunk, these all add up in weight. Take some time to clean out your car and remove anything that isn't essential. Things like golf clubs, bags of clothes, or anything else you rarely use can stay at home. A lighter car means better acceleration, better handling, and a more responsive driving experience. Plus, a cleaner car is always a more enjoyable ride. 1. Consider a full diet. Lightweight body parts. Now, if you're really serious about weight reduction, you can consider replacing heavier body parts with lightweight alternatives. Components like the hood, doors, and trunk can often be made from lighter materials such as carbon fiber or fiberglass. These materials are not only lighter than steel, but they're also incredibly durable. Replacing parts like the hood or rear hatch with lighter versions can significantly reduce the weight of your car without compromising safety. If you're into performance and you have the budget for it, lightweight body parts are one of the most effective ways to shave off pounds and improve speed. Is weight reduction worth it? There you have it. 10 ways you can make your car faster for free, or at least for a minimal cost. Weight reduction is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your car's performance, and you don't have to spend a lot of money to see results. Whether you're removing unnecessary interior items, upgrading to lighter wheels, or considering body part replacements, every ounce you shed is one step closer to a faster, more responsive car. So, next time you're looking for ways to improve your car's performance, start by looking at what you can take off rather than what you can add. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on car performance and mods, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.